We're in the circle in Tregear, and behind me here is the TA, Tregear Arms, which was built in 1802 as an hotel and a coach house. In the 1840s, the mail was sent from here to Newport. The coaches went in between where the chemist was, the big door, that was the stables in there. In the 1980s, there was work going on in the TA, and the old musket was found, but it had been authenticated about the 1830s. And we were thinking at the time that it was perhaps from the retreat from Newport where the Chartists were hiding their weapons. The musket is now in our museum, which is in the local library. Again, the front with the balcony and everything, there are photographs of people standing out above them in the 1830s. While they were doing the renovations of the TA recently, they found in the cellar a cell which was used for drunks or people who were fighting were put in overnight. They found an old stone stairways which was covered for at least 100 years. I think the work that's gone on in the TA, it'll bring the people to come to look at the history of Tregear, really. And it's a 5-star class hotel to stay in, you know, and it'll regenerate the circle and all that's going on at the moment around here.